Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on time and work. So let's begin with question number 29. We have already discussed 28 problems. Today we shall discuss the problems from 29th. So 29. Question 29 is like this. A team of 20 men is supposed to do a work in 30 days. 30 ଦିନରେ କରିବାର ଥିଲା. After 12 days, they worked. They started working. କାମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦେଲେ. After 12 days, 5 more men were employed. ଆଉ 5 ଜଣ ସେ ମିଶିଗଲେ. After how many hours? How many days? 12 days. How many people were engaged?
5.
Yes, 5 employed. And the work finished 2 days before earlier. Could understand? The work was supposed to be finished in 30 days. Could understand? They worked for 12 days. Could understand? The remaining days was 18. Could understand? 5 more men employed. And the work completed 2 days before. That means 18 minus 2 is equal to how many? 16. So 20 plus 5 total 25 men worked the remaining of the work in 25 days. Could understand? The question says. Now let's see. So 25, right? Means 1 day's work is equal to 1 day's work is equal to 1 day's work is equal to how many? 1 upon 16. Could understand? We calculated that the work completed by 25 men in 16 days. That means 25 men's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 16. 1 men's 1 day's work, right? 1 day's work is equal to how many? Tell me. How many? 20 men could do 160 part, 1 man means less part. So 1 upon 16 into 25. Right? Next, then 20 means, say jo 16, jodi 5 jana, if 5 men were not included, how many days would have been taken by 20 men? Could understand? So 20 means 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 16 into 25 of here 20. 5 for the 4 for the. Could understand? What did I say? Here 5. Here 5. Is 120 part means 20 days. 20 days, right? So 20 men took worked for 12 days, and 25 men worked for how many days?
12 days.
No, 25 men took how many days? 16 days to complete the work. 25 men. But 20 men would take how many days? 20 days. So first 20 men worked for 12 days. And in the second phase, 20 men would have worked for 20 days. That means 20 is only 32 days. If 5 men would not have been joined, if 5 men had not joined, that 20 men would have taken how many days? 32 days. The right answer is, which is the correct answer? Number 3 is correct answer. Okay, done. Next, this one. ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ? ଆଉଥରେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିଦେବି 20 ଜଣ ଲୋକ 30 ଦିନରେ କାମଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ 12 ଦିନ କାମ କରିଦେଲେ 30 ଦିନରୁ 12 ଦିନ ଗଲେ ଆଉ ରହିଲା କେତେ 18 ଦିନର କାମ ରହିଲା ରହିଲା କି ନାହିଁ ଏଇଟା 20 ଜଣ କରିବା କଥା କିନ୍ତୁ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ଆଉ 5 ଜଣ ଜିନି ମିଶାଇ ଦେଲେ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଛ ମୋର ମେନ୍ ମୋର ୱାର୍କ ଲେସ୍ ଡେସ୍ ଏଣୁକରି ଯେତେବେଳେ 5 ଜଣ ବଢ଼େଇ ଦେଲେ ଏଇଠି 2 ଦିନ କମିଗଲା ତାମାନେ 16 ଦିନ କାମ ସରିଗଲା when 5 men were added to the team the work was finished 2 days earlier could understand not that means 18 ଦିନରେ ସରିବା ବଦଳରେ instead of 18 in 16 days the work was finished that is 2 days earlier could understand that means 20 men so 20 men in 16 days completed a work that means 20 means 1 day's work is equal to 16 Jodi if 5 men had not been added that 20 men would have done it so let's calculate how many times that 20 men would have done it so 20 means 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 16 1 means 1 upon 16 into 25 take 20 means into 20 upon 60 into 25 then if you simplify you will get the answer right okay done now let's move to the next question that is 31 could understand it 30 right thank you that's like a good boy A B and C can do a piece of work in 12 18 and 24 days that means A's 1 day's work is equal to A's 1 day's work is equal to how many 1 upon 12 B's tell me 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 18 C's yes C's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 24 okay A stops the work after 4 days right suppose the work completed in X days could understand so A worked for 4 days A stops the work after 4 days so A's 4 days was so B 2 days before A's 4 days work A's 4 days work B's how many days work X minus 2 days work right and it was finished 4 days A stops the work after 4 days and B is called up 2 days before is done. In what time was the work finished? So let's see in what time the work is finished. A is 4 days work. Could you understand? Then tell me C is X days work. She worked for an entire day. She is X days work. Right? Okay, so let the work was finished in X days. Could you understand? A's A worked for 4 days. A's 4 days work is equal to A's 1 day work is equal to 1 days work is equal to 1 upon 12. A's 4 days work is equal to how many? 1 upon 12 into 4 that is how many? 1/3. Could you understand? Okay, done. B worked how many days? X minus 2 days. B's 1 days work is equal to how many? 1 upon 18. Could you understand? 1 upon 18. So B's X minus 2 days work 2 days work is equal to X up minus 2 upon 18. Okay. C worked for entire X days. So C's X days work is equal to X upon 24. Right? As per the question 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon what? plus x minus 2 upon 18 plus x upon 24 is equal to 1. So its LCM is implies that LCM is 72. Right? 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24 plus how many? 72 divided by 18 is equal to 4. 4 into x minus 2. Next, 74 divided by 24 is equal to 3 plus 3. Okay, x is equal to 1. Implies that 24 plus 4 into 4x minus how many?
2.
4,
3x.
8. This is 4x and 8. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 3x is equal to 72. Implies that 4x plus 3x, 7x, 24 minus 8 is equal to 16 is equal to how many? 72. Right? Implies that 7x is equal to here. 7x is equal to 72 minus 16 is equal to how many? 72. This is 72 minus 16 is equal to how many? 7x is equal to how many? Tell me. X is equal to 56 upon 7 is equal to 8. Could understand? How many days? 8 days.
Right.
The right answer is
8.
which is correct? Which option is correct? Number 4.
First number.
Number 4. Next one is 31. What is I say? 31.
I'll leave with it.
Okay, I shall do it. Okay. A started a work and left okay. A started a work and left after working 4 days. Could understand? Then B was called and he finished the work in 18 days. Had A left the work after working 60 days, B would have finished the remaining work in 12 days. In how many days can each of them working alone finish the work? So, let's do it.
So one does work.
Yeah, let's see. A's 4 days work. 4 days work plus B's 18 days work is equal to 1, you know. Similarly, A's in the second is A's 6 days work plus B's how many days work? 12 days work is equal to 1, you know. So let's do it. So A's 2 days work is equal to, here the difference is 2. Could understand? A's 2 days plus, here difference is how many? B is 18, this is 18. This is 18. 18 minus 12 is B is 6 days work is equal to work. Could understand? Here we came to know that A's 2 days work is equal to B's 60 days work. That means A's 1 day days work is equal to B's 3 days work. 3 days work. Could understand? So A's 4 days work and B's 18 days work is equal to, you know, 1. days, right? 4 days work is equal to a plus BC 18 days work is equal to 1. So that is A means how many? A is equal to 3B. A means how many B? 3B. That means here 4A. A is equal to 3B. A's 1 day is equal to B's 4 day. Right? So B's 4 day, we will apply it here. A's 4 days, here 4 into 3. 12 days. Work is equal to B's 18 days work. 18 days work. So this is equal to how many? B is 30 days work. This is 12. A is 4 into 3 days work means B is 12 days plus B is 18 days is equal to 1 day. 1 work. Total B is 30 days is equal to 1 work. Could understand? So what is asked? 30 days. B 30 days. B works in 30 days. Okay. Let's calculate next one. Okay. This is question is which number question? Just
31.
31. So working alone. So in how many days can each of them work? Each of them. How many days? In how many days can each of them working alone? Hello, finish the whole work. So we will calculate. So B completes the work in 30 days. Could understand? B completes the work in 30 days. Let's calculate again. Just 1 minute. So A is 40 days. A is 4 days plus B is 18 days. 18 days. B is 18 days is equal to 1 work.
So B is 2.
Could understand? B is 18 days.
80 days है
A is 4 days work. B is 18 days work means, and we know 3B is equal to A. 3B is equal to A. That means let's divide by 3. 3 into 60 days. So this is A. Could understand? So A is 4 days plus A is 6 days is equal to 1. So A can do the work in 10 days. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 days. 10 days. Right is equal to A 10 days, B 30 days. Right answer is 2. Right? Yes. Okay, done. Next. That is which number? 32.
There's a cat.
এটা ঘাটিয়া পড়ে ନାଇଁ ଅଛି କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା ତ
Keyboard.
ହଁ କିବୋର୍ଡ଼ ଆଉ ସିଆଡ଼େ ହାତ ବଢ଼େଇନି ହେଲା ସରିଲା କି
So put here out goes.
together right okay done I go together so 32 A can do a piece of work what did I say A can do a piece of work in 50 days B in 40 days they work together for 10 days and then A leave B to finish alone how long will it take okay it's very easy A's 1 day's work is you'll tell me how many? A's 1 day's A's 1 day's
Work.
work is equal to half 1 upon 50. B's 1 day's work is equal to 140. Could you understand? 1 upon 40. 1 upon 40. Could you understand? They worked together for 10 days. Therefore, A plus B से right A plus B से 1 days work is equal to 150 plus 140 is equal to how many? 200 LCM. 200 divided by 50 is equal to 4 you know and 200 divided by 40 is equal to 5 yes 5 is equal to how many 9 upon 200 right so they worked for 10 days that means A plus B say 10 days work is equal to 900 9 upon 200 into 10 0 0 cancel that is 9 upon 20 whose work A plus B is 10 days work the remainder is 1 minus 9 upon 20 is equal to how many LCM 20 minus 9 is equal to 11 upon 20 and this part was done by whom finish B A leave left B worked completed so it was done by B so B completes finishes B 140 could you understand 140 part in 1 day right therefore B will finish one part in how many days one part tell me one part one full 1 day one part is equal to more days that means how many days 40 days 40 days therefore B can finish 11 upon 20 part 40 into 11 upon 20 part is equal to 20 22 is equal to 22 days how many days 22 days correct answer is which is the correct answer 3 this is 3 could you understand this is 3 so 3 is the correct answer 20 days 22 days okay next one is tell me 33 what did I say 33 30 men working 4 hours a day can do a piece of work in 10 days find the number of days in which 45 men working 8 hours a day can do twice the work okay twice the work that is 33 so 3 men can do a working 4 hours in 10 days. That means one man's work in 1 hour is equal to the one man's one man's one man's one man, just one man working 1 hour. 1 hour means how many? 10 into 30. 10 days na? Yes, 10 days. 30 into 4. Could understand? Similarly, 40 men. So 40 men's 1 hour work is equal to 40 men's 1 hour work is equal to how many? 10 into 3 into 4 upon 45. So 40 men's 45 men's, this is 45, this is 45 men's 80 hours. 8 hour, working 8 hour is equal to 10 into 3 into 4 upon is 30 is equal. This is not 3. 10 into 30. Could you understand? This is 30, this is 30, this is 30. So 10 into 30 into 4 upon 45 into 8. Let's see. Let's calculate. 32. No, it will not do our purpose. 30 men working 4 hours a day can do a piece of in it. How many days? How many days? 30 men working how many hours? 4 hours is equal to how many days? 10 days. 10 days. Right? One man is equal to how many? One man working 4 hours means if 30 men can do a work 10 days means one man will take more time. That is it 10 into 30. One man working 4 hours complete the work in it 10 into 30 days. In 1 hour they will do less work. So 1 hour means 10 into 30 upon 4. Could you understand? Next 45 men. One man is equal to this one. 45 means more work or less work?
More.
No, more men, less, more work. Less time, less days. Could understand? This is the day. So 45 men working 1 hour days needed is 10 into 30. 10 into 30 upon 4 into 45. So 45 men working that is 8 hours. How many hours? Question is 32. 33. How working for 33. 40 men 8 hours. Could you understand it? Once तो आम देखा 45 जन लोक कम कर घंटाटी कम कर दिन नौ 8 घंटा कम कर 8 डेज नेले कम दिन नब ना केते नब कह केते दिन नब कहीपरियोनि एबे 45 दिन 45 मेंबर्स वर्किंग 1 hour टेक्स दिस टाइम 45 मेंबर्स 8 hours काम कले केते दिन आसो कम दिन लगे इंटू 8
Into 8.
इंटू 8 So let's see what happens. 15 3 the 15 2 the. Right? 2 4 the. Right? 2 2 the 2 5 the. Is it how many? 5 upon 8. It's wrong. It is wrong. We made a mistake somewhere. 30 men working 4 hours a day तो ठीक अच्छी 30 men 30 जन लोक 4 घंटा काम कले 10 दिन लगुच जड़े लोक 4 घंटा लाखे काम कले जड़े लोक बेसी दिन लगिज घंटा जदि घंटाटी लागे काम कर यहाँ बेसी दिन लगे यहाँ 4 हम ओके यहाँ ये बुझे ना यहाँ 4 हम एगेन 30 men 30 men's 30 men's working 30 men working how many hours 4 hours could understand 30 men working 4 hours takes 10 days to complete the work so one man will take a lot of time working 1 hour will take how many days? Many days. That means 10 into 30 into 4. 45 men working 1 hour. 10 some less days 3 into 4 upon 45. So 45 men working 8 hour. Working 8 hour is equal to 10 into 30. This is 30. 30 into 4 upon 8 into 45. Right? 15 3 the, 15 2 the, 4 2 the. Right? That is 15 3 the.
15
4
to the 2 4 to 8.
Usually how many? 10 upon 3 days. 10 upon 3 days. So 2 men in 24 hours, 4 men 1 hour. So what is it? The right answer is tell me. So 1 work is equal to 10 upon 3 days. Could understand? 2 days is equal to more work. 1 work is equal to 10 upon 3 days. Right? 2 work is equal to 10 upon 3 into 2 is equal to 20 upon 3 days. That is 63. Which is correct? Tell me. Number 2 is correct. This one. This one is correct. Okay, done. Next 34. What is that? 34. Yes. 34. A alone could take 27 hours more to complete the job than if B and if both A and B would together. If B worked alone, he took 3 hours more to complete the job than A and B worked together. What time would they take if both A and B worked together? What time would they take if both and the double? This is repetition. Okay. What did I say? Repetition. Repetition. This is repetition. Okay. Yes. Done. So let's do it. Let's A plus B say 1 day's work is let's the work X. let's say A plus B is 1 day's work is equal to 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon x. Could understand? A's 1 day's work 1 hour, sorry 1 hour, this is not a day, hour. A's 1 hour's work is equal to 1 upon x plus 27. You know x is equal to, so similarly B's 1 hour's work is equal to 1 upon x plus 3. So as per question, A plus B's 1 hour work is equal to A plus B's 1 hour का this one. So A upon x plus 27 plus 1 upon 1 upon x plus 27.
So 1.
Sorry. Okay. X plus 27 plus 1 upon x plus 27 plus 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon x. Implies that how many? X plus 27 LCM x plus 3, right? X plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 LCM x plus 27 into x plus 3 LCM implies that LCM, so x plus 3 plus x plus 27 is equal to 1 upon 6, right? Implies that how many? 2x plus 30 upon x square plus 3x plus 27x plus 81 is equal to 1 upon x.
X.
Implies that x into 2x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 30x plus 81. Implies that 2x square plus 30, 2x square plus 30, this is 30x, okay, 30x is equal to x square plus 30x plus 81. So this one cancelled. So implies that 2x square minus x square is equal to 81. Implies that x square is equal to 81. Therefore x is equal to 81 root over 9. So 9 days. The right answer is 9 days. 9 hours, not days. 9 hours. Which is correct?
Number 2.
Number 3. Which is correct?
Number 3.
Number 3. Yes, this is correct. Okay. Next, that is 35. What did I say? Again 35. A plus B together can do a piece of work in 12 days, which B, C together can do in 16 days. After A has been working it for 5 days and B for 4 days, C finish it in 13 days. So here is a problem. The question is wrong. Which number? 35, after A has been working at it for 5 days, after 5 days, B has B for 7 days. This is B for 7 days. B
It for 7 days.
B for
Or comma.
comma ଆସିଲା 7 days,
7 days.
7 days,
7 for days.
7 days for 7 days. Could understand that is for 7 days. 7 okay. 7 days. এইটা ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ଏ ବି ସି ଡେସ୍ ତ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ଏ ବି ଆଫ୍ଟର ଏ ହେଜ୍ ବିନ୍ ୱାର୍କିଂ ଫର୍ 5 days ଏ 5 ଦିନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କାମ କଲା ବି କେତେ ଦିନ କଲା 5 ଦିନ ସି ପୁରା ସବୁଦିନ ଯାକ କରିଛି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନାହିଁ ହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ନା ଏ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ବି କେତେ ଦିନ କାମ କଲେ ଏ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ବି କଲେ 5 days ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନାହିଁ ଏ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ବି କଲେ 5 days ତାପରେ ବି ସି କଲେ ବି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସି ମିଶିକିରି କରିଛନ୍ତି 2 days କେମିତି ହେଲା ହାଉ ଟେଲ୍ ମି ଏ ବି ୱାର୍କଡ୍ ଫର୍ 5 days ବି ସି ୱାର୍କଡ୍ ଫର୍ 2 days ହିୟର୍ ଏ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ବି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସି ଏ ୱାର୍କଡ୍ ଫର୍ where is the question yes together in 16 days after a working for 5 days a worked 5 days b 7 days c entire days so first a b 5 days
A, B, 5 days.
b say how many days 7 days means 5 days already gone remainder is equal to
2.
7 5 here 2 then b c together did 2 days right c totally how many days
7.
the rest is done by c could understand so a b c 5 days work b c is 2 days work could understand now let's calculate a b c
2 days. 2 days.
2 days yes so a b c a plus b c 1 day's work is equal to how many 1 upon 12 5 days work they worked 5 days 5 days work is equal to 5 upon 12 similarly b c c b plus c c 1 day's work is equal to how many 1 upon 16 BC work 2 days. They did 2 days work is equal to how many? 2 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon 8. Right. So C worked for how many days? C worked for how many days? 13 minus 2 is equal to 11 days because C has spent it's 2 days with B. Could understand? So 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. So C worked for 11 days. So she is 11 days work is equal to. So let's see the total days completed. That means 5 upon 12 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to how many? 48. LCM is equal to 48. 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Plus 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. That is 26 upon 48. That is 1324. Remainder is 1 plus 13 upon 24 is equal to LCM 24. Could understand? So 24 minus 13 is equal to 11 over 24. This part is done by C in 11 days. This part is done by C in 11 days. Could understand? So, C's 1 day's work is only but the 1 day's work, one part. Could understand? So, C in 11 days does 1 upon 24. 1 day,
Okay, 11 upon 24.
11 upon 24. In C, in it 11 days does a work in 11 upon 24. In 1 day, that is less work, that is 11 upon 24 into divided by 11. 11 cancel, that is 124. So, C's 1 day's work is 124. Could understand? C's 1 day's work is 124. Now, let's calculate others work. So, A plus B is 1 day's
Work.
work is equal to how many? 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 12. Right? So, B's 1 day's work is equal to B plus C's 1 day's work is equal to 116. Right? So, B's work is equal to 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 24 is equal to how many? 16. How many? Tell me. 48. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 48. That is it. The A's work, it was A's 1 day's work is equal to A plus B minus B is equal to, that is 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 18. This is 18. This is 48. 48. Right? Is equal to how many? 48. 4 minus 1 is equal to 63 upon 48, that is 1 upon 16. So, A can do 16 days. B, how many days? 48 days. C, how many days? Tell me. C, how many days? 24 days. Which is the correct answer? Tell me. So, 16, 24, 48. 16, 24,
48.
48 respectively. So, B's work is 24. 48.
16, 20, 48, 24. Number 2.
16,
Easy.
number 2. A and B can do the work in 16, 24 and 44. That is C's work. C's 24. No, 40 days. B's 40 days. 16. B, no, it's wrong. This one is 16, 48. This one, 2. Okay.
Yes.
Which one? This one.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.
Where is that one? Yes, sir.